Hi, hello everyone, how everyone is doing. I'm so glad to be back. And so in the next couple weeks, probably a month, we'll see depending on how much time I have, you are going basically to see a couple of different videos from my trip to Japan. Sorry, I'm just grabbing a little cup of tea. Just in love with this cup, so autumnal. Yeah, so in the next couple obviously videos, it's going to be mainly Japan related. What I thought is that I'm going to do just kind of like a videos of the scenery, what I filmed, what footage I have, where we went, and what we experienced around Japan. So just kind of like to show you my general experience. Sorry that you can see my vision going sideways time to time. It's just that I thought rather than rambling, I'm going to prepare a little bit of side notes for myself, just kind of like what to say, not to forget what I wanted to say. Yeah, so it's going to be like a general videos, and then I think in the end I'm going to do one video which is going to be kind of like a sit-down video, just to chat with you in regarding my general experience, what I liked, what I didn't like, some costs involving all the trip, and what things I would do maybe differently if I would go back again. So what I would say, feel free to leave in the comments of the videos the questions that you maybe want me to answer. I'm definitely going to do that in that very last sit down video. And I'm going to give you a little bit of kind of like more extended information regarding obviously my experience. Relax, grab a cup of tea or coffee, whatever you like the most, and hopefully you will enjoy the videos, the upcoming videos as well.
used on board, including the toilets, which have smoke detectors in them.
Gerald, it's you. For too long I've kept my true feelings hidden, but now...
Personal devices should have the flight safe mode feature enabled now.
Handheld devices must be
You don't know English.